I'm putting my nails on. I'll be out in about 10 minutes.
Cheek, right cheek, please don't give me hype. I'm hype. Left cheek, right cheek, write my name in ice. Real ass, real ass, real ass, real ass. Got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage.
All right, here we go. All right, y'all. I'm vlogging right now, so ignore me. It's my birthday party. We just finished dinner. So yeah, we're just talking, having conversation. We might play some games. You know what I'm saying? I feel cute. You know what I'm saying? Jazz. So it's for my vlog. Get some vlog footage.
He told me, you can get away with it because you
I have about 1,500.
It's normal 1,500. Let's share for the world. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, leave a comment. It helps us. Get something in the algorithm.
Get in the algorithm.
That's what we're trying to do.
Okay. Engage.
Because it's fun, it's easy, and it's free. Okay.
Period.
Catch the wave.
3, 4, 5, 10.
I don't know what Pat's talking about. I had games because I didn't think we'd be having conversation, but I don't even know if we can play some games.
Nigga, shit ain't right. You know what I'm saying? 20. I live behind mostly. It's about 50 pounds back there. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know that shit like.
Jazz, you say lip chap too from Flavor of Love. What's her name? Yeah.
That's a drag.
I'm getting vlog footage. Period. I don't know what he's talking about.
How you doing? Happy birthday.
What?
We traveled.
Gang. We gonna drink.
Y'all, they actually drank the Sauvignon Blanc. It's all
He
gone.
cooked a fabulous meal. It was very good. Very good.
Spell what? Fabulous? FABOLOUS.
I spelled like that on a spelling test when I was a child and I got it wrong. That's not the correct spelling of fabulous. Yeah, it's not. And I got it wrong on a spelling test, but that's how I was like, I got this. FABOLOUS.
Fabulous.
It's like another O word.
It's a U in there, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I just want to come back in the vlog, let y'all know we partying, having a good time. Just check in with y'all, get some footage, you know what I'm saying? It's a good time. I'm so excited. It's a good party. Okay, pause. Let's sing happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday. Let's get this real quick because we candles ain't got much time.
Yeah.
I had that light on.
We gotta hurry up.
Turn the lights off.
Oh, you turned the light off back here.
Oh yeah, let's turn it. Oh shit! How I almost fall sitting down.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha.
Happy birthday to me.
Cha.
Happy birthday, dear Nikea. Happy birthday. Yo, we about to start set this bitch on fire. Alright, we can turn the lights back on.
Look at your boy.
Alright, you good. It's not gonna spray on you while you're taking that off.
You check it up again.
Oh well, no, but still not gonna pop. Now shake it. There you go. Twist.
Don't on the couch though. Swear, yeah.
Shake it and twist. There you go. You gotta clean all that off the floor.
Yeah.
Little baby in the back in the burger.
Yeah, off the cabinet.
I don't know the words.
You got it.
Let them know. Hey, it's Kia 32nd, man. 2-2. You feel me?
What just fell?
Don't worry about it. It don't work. I got insurance. Turn the camera on yourself. Face mask.
Period. I gotta take care of my skin. Period. Acne, we don't know her. Period.
Period.
This mask feels so good. I don't even want to take it off. Why would you try me? Why would you bother? I am Nikea, JaLynn McDuffie. Yeah, I'm trying to get the people to vibe. Hey y'all, it's my 32nd birthday celebration. We are done with the formal part. Shout out to the real ones that came to my party. Thank you.
We pulled up.
It's so good.
Magnificent.
I'm so happy. It's
Alright, bleep it out.
period. Oh, this mask feels so
Biden
good.
the president, I might get unemployment. Alright. Kamala.
Period.
Kamala with the Howard.
It's Kamala. Kamala, not Kamala.
Kamala is from my woman's hometown and not
Respect
me.
on her name, you feel me?
My bad.
Some respect on her
Put some
name.
respect on her name. It's HBCU grad and she's the vice president.
And she's a part of a historically Black Greek letter
HBCU
organization.
moment.
You know what I'm saying? HBCU, Black Greek letter organization. Like, we just taking over the world, period. Black people run the world. But y'all, thank you for tuning into my vlog. I'll probably wrap this up officially tomorrow, but tonight we're gonna cut it because we're grown-ups. Good night, y'all.
No comparison. No.